Okay, here we have a 2015 Ford F-550 landscape dump bed here. High sides there. This has got the 6.8 liter V10 gasoline engine, an automatic transmission. This has 42,000 miles on it. So very low mileage work truck here. And we're going to take a look at some of the features that it has to offer. As you can see, it's got a Western plow bracket underneath there. Tires still have good tread on them. So it's got power locks and windows here. You got your vinyl seats. Got your little book here. It still needs some service work, but overall not in horrible shape. This gate here does open. Still got some stuff in the bed, a little rough, but all stuff that can be taken care of before you purchase. Panel hitch on the rear here. You got two swing out gates here on the back as well. Like I said, rough, but that can be taken care of. There we go. Not easy to do with one hand. Another shot of the back seat. Power locks and windows, like I said. You get your power mirrors. There's your controls here. So got some weight in it there, like I said. Needs some service work, but overall pretty much ready to go. So like I said, 42,000 miles. You got your AM, FM radio, Bluetooth connectivity, heat and AC, auxiliary switches, electronic trailer brake controls, four-wheel drive, cruise control, here's your lights, all that good stuff. Overall, pretty solid truck. Ready to definitely make you money from the get-go, so come on, check it out.